So, today we're going to be replacing this with this. So this is a Yoshimura Alpha Street Series exhaust for the Suzuki SV650. So we're gonna go ahead and start removing this old messed up muffler. As you can see, there's quite a bit of damage over here and over here. And as soon as there's damage, it needs to be replaced. So I guess we're gonna read the instructions first, right?
No, let's just take all this shit off.
Yo, what are you doing?
Aren't we supposed to break it? So, let's talk about what this exhaust comes with. It comes with a holder, a link pipe, and a DB killer. Also comes with a bunch of useless junk. I think these people call it instructions.
So before we actually install the full exhaust, we're gonna go ahead and give you a sound test of how it sounds before the Yoshimura. So as you guys can see right here, the exhaust is actually held on by just this one bolt right here, and then a clamp on the bottom right over there. So we're gonna go ahead and take them off.
For the first one, it's gonna be a 6mm hex key. Let's get started. And Suzuki, being the thoughtful people they are, left the 6mm for the second bolt too.
That was way easier than we thought.
And due to one popular request, we're gonna start it up without the exhaust. The only thing that gets replaced out of the assembly is everything. Let's get started. This is about 6 Newton meters. Boss clamp requires 6 foot-pounds of torque. So we're going to be using this spring puller to attach to here. Try your best not to scratch the carbon fiber.
Sounds so good. Oh my god, it sounds so good. So that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.